Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Connect the phone to the computer with a data-capable USB cable and turn on mobile data. Once connected, unlock the phone and open Settings. On Android, find Network and Internet or Connections. On iPhone, use Personal Hotspot. Enable USB tethering or Personal Hotspot so the phone exposes a network interface to the computer. Do this now. You must have a cellular link active, because tethering shares that connection rather than Wi-Fi. Once done, switch to your computer and accept any prompts to add a new network. On Windows, open Network Connections to confirm a new Ethernet or mobile adapter. Install drivers if it shows unknown device. On Mac OS, check Network Preferences for a USB interface and set it to DHCP. Make sure the adapter has an IP address assigned by the phone and that the default gateway points to the handset so internet traffic routes through the cellular link. To finish, verify connectivity by loading a web page or pinging an IP. If it works, you are done. If not, make sure mobile data is active and the cable is data capable, then toggle USB tethering and reconnect the cable. Once tried, restart both devices. If the computer lacks an IP, install or update drivers. As a single troubleshooting tip, reset network settings on the phone only after you try toggles and restarts, because that clears saved network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.